Hi Kingfishers and Wagtails, this is your Tuesday the 12th of January lesson. So today we're going to be thinking about comparing numbers, okay? So our first question is, which is the greatest? So what number does this say here? Any ideas? Well, it is 16, okay? 10 add 1, what is that? 10 add 1, it is 11. What number is this one? This number is 13. And 10 add 7 is what? 10 add 7 is 17. Shall we see if we got them right? Oh. Shall we see if we got them right? Here we go. So 16, 11, 13, 10, add 7 is 17, and then we've got 12 at the end. But which of these is the greatest? Which of these numbers is the greatest? What do you think? We've got 16, 11, 13, 17 or 12. Which is the greatest? And it is 17. Did you get it right? I hope so. So this question is, which is the least? Which is the least? So let's get the numbers up that we've got to look at. So what number is this one? Can you remember? It was on the other slide, wasn't it? It was 16. Oh, it is 16. Now we've got 10 add 1. 10 add 1. Can you remember? It was 11, wasn't it? And what was this number here? Can you remember? It was 13. And then we've got 10 add 7. Can you remember what that number was? 17. And then this says what? Number 12. But now we've got to try and find out which of these is the least. So shall we try and work out which of these is the least? So is it 16, 11, 30, 17 or 12? Which one of those is the least? It's number 11, isn't it? Did you get it right? So this is a number line. This is going to help us with our next activity. So 16 is what? 19 is what? And 10 add 6 is what? So I know that Wagtails know this song. I'm sure Kingfishers have done it too. Well, we've got greater than and lesser than. Remember your Carlos Crocodile and remember your Go Noodle song, okay? So, which is it? Is it greater, lesser than, or equal to? So 16 is what? Can you remember? It's less than, isn't it? 16 is a smaller number than 17. And then we've got 19 is what? So we've got 1, 10, and 9 ones. What does that make here? What number does that make here? Is it the same number? Or is it equal? Is it equal to, or is it greater than, or less than this number? What do you think, Kingfishers and Wagtails? I'll give you a second to think. It's equal to, equal to, equal to. Remember that? And then we've got 10 add 6 is what? And then we've got 12 over this side. So 10 add 6 makes what? And then it is what goes in the gap. Can you work it out? It's greater than, isn't it? Okay. Well done, Kingfishers and Wagtails. Hope you enjoyed doing your maths today. And remember, I want to see those Go Noodle moves. So remember, greater than, less than, and equal to. Okay, enjoy your maths. Go. Okay, so Wagtails and Kingfishers, can you remember Carlos Crocodile? Now, Carlos Crocodile is very, very hungry. He likes eating big fat numbers. So he likes eating the bigger number, okay? So it depends which way his mouth is facing on whether it's the bigger number, okay? So now I want you to think about, you can make your own Carlos crocodiles at home, I'm absolutely sure. But each one of these pencils is going to be a 10. So if I put 2 of those there, that now means I've got 1 10, 2 10, that's going to give me 20. So over this side, I might make my 16 using 1 10, because there's 1 here, and then I'm going to add how many bricks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've now made 16 here. So have I put the right Carlos crocodile? Is he eating the big number, or is it that one? Which do you think? It is this one. He's eating that big number there, isn't he? So I want you to have a go and see if you can do this at home. Show Mum and Dad how Carlos crocodile likes big fat numbers. All that we want to show you is this one. And this one is the equal to. So you remember the sign equal to in our song? So it means the same number is going to be over this side as this side. But you can work out using these what those are. So I'm going to move the 10 from over there, and I've got 4 bricks. That makes 14 over this side, and then I'm going to do the same over this side. So I've got a 10, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've got 14 over this side. These are equal because they're both equal on both sides. Okay, have lots of fun with your Carlos crocodile and your equal sign. Well done, wagtails and kingfishers.